formation to the right. Red one is squadron leader Tom Bold. He is in his second year as the team leader, having previously been the single leader in 2017. He's also flown Typhoon operationally as a former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk T-Mark 1 and the Tucano, and was also the Tucano display pilot. Smoke comes on as Red 2, 3, 4 and 5 make their way to the rear of the formation for our first space-themed shapes. As the formation moves round to the right, get your cameras ready for the shuttle roll. In tribute to its squadron, its history, and now that the 617 squadron flies the F-35, this is the Lightning Loop. As the formation bends to the left, on the far right-hand side is Red 4 squadron leader John Bond, known as Bondy. Bondy is in his 5th year on the team, having previously been a single. With the closure of the RAF Squadron 100 and 736 Royal Naval Squadrons in March 2022, that makes the Red Arrows the sole operator of the Hawk T-Mark 1 in the United Kingdom. In a tribute to the importance of space, with a shape that represents the lunar landing craft of those missions in the 1960s, this is Apollo. Striving for excellence in everything that they do. The board call is made by Red 4 as Red 4 and 5 roll around the smoke of the rest of the formation. Get yourselves ready for the colour change as Red 1 brings the formation around to the right. And Red 4 and 5. 2022 is an important year for the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth as Her Majesty the Queen celebrates 70 years on the throne. In tribute to that prestigious occasion of her Platinum Jubilee, once again get your cameras ready for the colourful Jubilee Present. Team roll out with Enid on top and the synchro just below. Once again, get your cameras ready for the Detonator. Start to pull up, then change the colour to the smoke as they perform a series of barrel rolls through the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky. This is a manoeuvre we like to call the Python. Each aircraft now pulling up at 5G, which means that everything about them is now weighing 5 times heavier than what you and I are as we stand on the ground. They will reach approximately 2,500 feet before being inverted with 60 degrees nose down, looking to dive down back to that 100 feet as they complete the Boomerang. They perform a series of barrel rolls around reds 4 and 5. 4 and 5, the blue smoke comes on as they do the same around reds 2 and 3 in one of the hardest manoeuvres for our new pilots each year to master. This is the Rollbacks. Qualified Typhoon pilot and also a Hawk T1 qualified flying instructor. Keep your eye on the synchro pair to the left hand side as once again as they pull 5G with red 7 on trail on red 6, the synchro lead. Red 6 is squad leader Gregor Oxton. He's in his 4th year on the team, having previously flown Harrier and Typhoon operationally, as well as being a former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk T-Mark 2 and the Tucano. as he smokes blue, and he pulls hard towards the left-hand side. Look to your front right, you'll see Enid in an inverted V. In order to that we make sure we have the right smoke at the right time and the right colour during the display. Get your cameras ready for the crowd's favourite, the Synchro Heart. The Red Arrows would like to dedicate today's heart to all our wives, partners, friends and family who are attending RIAT today with us. And Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Stu Roberts would like to dedicate today's heart to his wife Angela on their first wedding anniversary. Series of barrel rolls around the rest of the formation, leaving the infinity symbol in the sky for the infinity break. But RIAT, it has been an honour and a pleasure to perform for you. Please put your hands together for the 2022 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows!
It's going to be sorry, Mark Beaton actually works for me. He's down the fly line with a vintage helicopter. Isn't that extraordinary?
Well, get it. So the last of the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows, cleared to land by air traffic control.
Next, Red Arrows. Keep on keeping on